What if you could access millions of books from anywhere in the world for free? This is exactly what Google Books offers, but most people don't even know how powerful it really is. What is Google Books? Google Books is a digital library created by Google. It allows you to search for books, preview pages, and sometimes read full books online. All in seconds. How does it work? Google scans books and makes them searchable. So instead of reading an entire book, you can search for a specific word or topic inside it. This is especially useful for students, researchers, and curious readers. Why is it powerful? Because it saves time. Instead of looking through dozens of books manually, you find exactly what you need instantly. It also gives access to rare books, academic content, and previews before buying. Limitations: not all books are fully available. Some are preview only or restricted, but even then, it's still a powerful research tool. Technology is changing how we learn, and tools like Google Books are just the beginning. If you want to discover more powerful tools like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next video.